In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why your reels don't make money and how to fix it. A lot of people are posting and they're getting views and likes and comments and shares, but they're not actually making money. You only make money from transferring those people from views to your website and then convert them into sales by promoting the right offers to the right people. Okay, so let's break this down real quick. I get straight into this, no bullshit. And if you appreciate that, like and comment, but we're going to get right into it here. Basically, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're making content for a very specific person. Just like I am right now in this video, you're specifically posting Instagram Reels and you want to make money from them. Okay. The second thing is to offer exactly the product to that exact client. So once you understand who you're making content for and how you want to sell to them, the next thing is to convert them, okay? So the way we do that through Instagram Reels is we need some kind of call to action, and we need to convert them off of your post and into your link. The best way to do that is through some kind of call to action, whether it's a comment ready and I'll send you a guide or some kind of free resource. Whatever it is, we need to get people to engage with the posts, not just for engagement's sake, but also to find the leads, because ultimately those people that are commenting, let's say I tell people to comment ready if they're ready to get started on whatever I'm promoting, right? That is what I do. So once they comment ready, I then set up a ManyChat automation, ManyChat. And that ManyChat automation will respond to the comment and then DM them the link, okay? It was extremely powerful because you have to convert them from view down to your link. And then from there, again, if you're making content for the right person and promoting the right offer, then you have a chance to convert a sale. But this system only works if you stay consistent over time, because most times, even if someone's interested in making money or whatever you're promoting, they're not going to buy the first time. They're going to buy, after really getting to know you a little bit and understanding kind of who you are and what you're offering. Only then, with consistency over time of continuing to post. So at least 3 times a day, you need to be posting. And from there, people who follow you are going to start to get that repetition. Like, they're not really going to hear you. People think like you've said the message, so now they're afraid to repeat themselves, but don't be afraid of that. That's what good marketers do, right? When you see a commercial and you hear the same song, you're reminded and you get stuck in your head. Like, we need to create that through our short form content, that familiarity. So don't be afraid to repeat yourself, okay? So again, we're promoting the right offer to the right person and converting by a call to action on ManyChat. And there's a couple ways you could do the call to action. You could say it verbally, you could have text on the screen, or you could put it in your caption. All 3 ways are pretty good. And then another way most people don't talk about, and I shouldn't even share this, but some sauce here, you could put it in the first comment. So a lot of times the first comment can be your call to action, but it also kind of gets the ball rolling a little bit with the comment section, because a lot of times the reason a video goes viral is because people are stuck in the comment section reading the comments, and then your video is playing in the background and that watch time is going crazy in the background. All right. So once you put a comment on your post, people are going to that comment and seeing what did someone comment, right? And then it's a call to action. So you really get the ball rolling, and then you also have these people responding to the call to action within the comment section, and you get more and more comments. So it's a beautiful system. If you are looking for a way to monetize your page and you don't have one yet, I highly suggest helping me refer more people to my school group. I'll put a link in the description below, but basically, if you refer other people to my school group, I'll give you 50% reoccurring commissions, and it's a great deal. It's the best affiliate program in the world. And I also teach you all the tricks on the viral video framework for Instagram, how to create a high trust account, set up the automations, and then ultimately, if you want, I'll teach you how to set up many different accounts and automate everything. All right. So all that is in the group. Click the link in the description below. I'll see you next time.